Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokémon UNITE Error Code 2102. The error reads, "An error occurred." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play a match. Players have shared that they get kicked out every time they find a match and are unable to continue due to this error. According to our research, this is a server-side issue. It usually happens when the Pokémon UNITE servers are down, under maintenance, or the game system is facing some issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your game. Simply close the game completely and launch it again, and check for the error. If the error still comes, then make sure your game is up to date. Simply open your App Store and check for any available updates for Pokémon UNITE and install them. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try power cycling your device along with the internet. Simply shut down your device and unplug it from the power source. Then, turn off your router and unplug it too. Then wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in, then power on your device, and check if the error still comes. If the error continues, then try playing the game with different servers and see if this helps. At last, if nothing helps, then possibly the issue is due to Pokémon UNITE servers being down. In this case, wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.